Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. This is May monthly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius Fire Sign. May monthly reading. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you Sagittarius and what's going on? The world with 8 of cups. I think there are some cycles going to be end between you and your person. Some new cycles are going to be begin. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. I think in recent you decided to walk away from this connection. Maybe you are in this process. You are in this process of decision making. For some there is no equal give and take. Maybe this person is not available to you when you need them emotionally. So let's see your reading. Recent past, King of Pentacles, 6 of Cups and 4 of Swords. Yes, you love this person. You both have strong emotions towards each other. And 6 of Cups, you also thinking about them a lot. And you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And King of Pentacles, but from recent past you are concentrating on your career, creating more money. And 4 of Swords energy, you are not talking with your person. You are healing yourself. Yes, 4 of Swords energy, you are doing meditation to heal yourself. Maybe your health is not well in these recent times. That's why maybe you are healing yourself. For some, you both are in no contact situation. For some, you both are in separation. Even though for some you are in a contact with this person, this is on and off connection. Then present, King of Cups, 9 of Wands and 4 of Pentacles. You are guarded up right now and you are holding back also Sagittarius. But someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you. King of Cups is here. Maybe this could be your past person or for some it could be a new person. But you are guarded up and you are holding back. Future, Chariot, Knight of Swords and 6 of Pentacles. Yes, someone is coming towards you. For some 2 persons, one could be new, one could be past. But someone is coming to communicate with you. They are in rush to communicate with you. Yes, someone want to communicate. Knight of Swords energy. I think in past there is no equal give and take in this connection. But now your person want to offer equal give and take. There is equal give and take is coming. And you are managing your finances also. And Chariot, I think this person want to take this relationship to next level. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, 6 of Wands. So Sagittarius, your person feelings. Your person feelings towards you, Sagittarius. Page of Wands. Playfulness. And your person, maybe there are age difference between you and your person and some cycles going to be end. For some the same cycle repeating between you and your person again and again. Right now your person may be in some confusion. Maybe your person have options. they're in confusion to make decision. And Five of Pentacles, maybe in past they treated you as an option, now they have regrets for that. And Nine of Pentacles, for some your person is already financially stable. Yes, the feelings are, right now your person is confusion, they're missing you for sure. So let's see their intentions, then we will get more clarity. Sagittarius. You both are in no contact situation. Six of Pentacles with Temperance, it's your card and it's your reading, and Four of Wands. There is a lot of drama going between you and your person. Right now your person is not talking to you, but they are thinking about you a lot. Yes, a lot of thinking is going. Maybe they want to leave behind everything like negativity, and they want to come towards you to offer this Six of Pentacles. Yes, there is no equal give and take in this connection, but now your person thinking about to leave behind everything like negativity in this connection and want to offer equal give and take. Yes, but patience is the key here, because your person may be patiently waiting for the right time to approach you. You both are on the same page, because you are also in no contact situation but thinking about them a lot, and they are also no contact situation and thinking about you a lot. Lot of thinking is going. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Lot of earth energy. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Tower and the Sun and Five of Swords. Maybe in past they backstabbed on you, they cheated on you, they lied to you. Now they have regrets. Yes, Tower moment. Now your person undergoing some Tower moment, Sagittarius. And the Sun. Yes, they realized that you are their happiness. They are searching for their happiness. Especially they see you, their happiness in you. Yes, you are not talking and you are undergoing some spiritual awakening process. Now you stand by your power, Justice card. Yes, they are ready to offer second chances. They want second chances with you, but the decision is in your hands, Sagittarius. Justice, Libra, the person involved in this connection could be Justice, Libra, or Virgo especially. So second chances, marriage. Maybe they are coming back for second chances. Again the World card and the Eight of Cups, the same cycle repeating between you and your person again and again. Tower. Yes, you both are missing each other. You both are doing some Tower moment, but you both want new beginnings in this connection, because you both are on the same page, Ace of Wands. Still there is lot of passion between both of you. And Justice card here, Sagittarius, you stand by your power. Now you are taking your control back. Yes, because you are undergoing a lot of transformation process in these recent times. You are undergoing a lot of things and lot of transformation. Then you stand by, then you becoming like this. Yes, you are no more dependent on anyone, either emotionally or financially, but still there is a lot of passion. I think you both are thinking about each other, you both missing each other a lot. But yeah, Knight of Swords, but they, for some your person maybe communicate with you, because they are realizing you both. So let's see some messages from your person and Sagittarius. I can't give you what you need. Will you forgive me? Don't leave me behind. I am not feel good enough for you, and lot of abundance is coming. So I can't give you what you need. Will you forgive me? The messages are, don't leave me behind, and I am not feel good enough for you. Maybe your person feeling that they are not good enough for you, Maybe they can't give you what you need now, and they feel that, will you forgive me and don't leave me behind? So take what resonates. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Surrender to the divine. Full moon, when you are very close to achieving your goal. So if you are doing hard work to achieve your goals, it is the message for you. Definitely your goals, you are very close to achieve your goal, and surrender to the divine. In your personal life, you are not getting solutions for your problems, so you have to surrender those problems to the divine. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.